Ever wondered why some ideas go viral while others just disappear? Jonah Berger's book, Contagious, cracks the code on what makes people spread ideas, products, and messages like wildfire. The secret? Virality isn't luck. It's built on 6 smart principles Berger calls steps: social currency, triggers, emotion, public practical value, and stories. Let me break that down. First, social currency. People love sharing things that make them look clever or in the know. Next, triggers. Think about how hearing a song or seeing a logo reminds you of something. Link your message to everyday cues. Emotion is huge. When something makes us feel awe, excitement, or even frustration, we can't help but pass it on. Public means visibility. If people see others doing it or using it, they'll want in. Practical value? Everyone loves a tip or hack they can share. And finally, stories. Wrap your message in a compelling narrative, and it'll travel far beyond your reach. The biggest lesson here? Word of mouth beats ads every time. So if you've got a message, product, or cause, ask yourself, am I using the steps? Make your idea remarkable. Connect it to daily life. Stir up emotion. Make it visible. Offer real value. And always tell a good story. That's how you make your message contagious.